Your alumni aren't just part of your past, they're a powerful resource for shaping your institution's future. But how do you keep them engaged and inspired to give back? Here's the proven strategy to strengthen alumni relations and enhance fundraising. 1. Build authentic, personalized connections. Alumni respond to communication that speaks directly to their experiences and passions. 2. Simplify giving. Make it easy and seamless for alumni to support your institution with automated, targeted campaigns. 3. Track what works. Use real-time data to track engagement, identify opportunities, and maximize impact. Salesforce empowers educational institutions to bring this strategy to life. Salesforce Marketing Cloud builds authentic, personalized connections with your alumni by delivering highly targeted and dynamic communication campaigns across multiple channels, including email, social media, and SMS. Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud simplifies giving and automates targeted campaigns to streamline the donation process and maximize fundraising efforts. Salesforce Sales Cloud tracks engagement, identifies opportunities, and maximizes impact in alumni relations and fundraising, offering powerful reporting and analytics capabilities. With the right strategy and tools, you're not just fundraising, you're building a lifelong community of alumni who are invested in your mission. The future of education is brighter when we work together. Let's turn alumni potential into lasting impact.